everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see a solution for move zeros. Suppose there is an array which has an element 0 in it. We want to move it to the end of this array. So let's see a solution for this. We are going to follow two pointers technique. So if you have already watched some of the previous videos, this will be a little bit easier to understand. So we are going to take a pointer or a variable called x to keep a track of which element we are going to compare to, and the other pointer is going to iterate through this array. For iterating, we are going to run a loop array.length and I plus. Okay. So here, first of the thing that we are going to do is we're going to check if this array of I is simply not equals to 0. We're going to give the value of array of x as equals to array of I, and then we are going to increment the value of x. So if I try to print this array at this point of time, what we get is an array where the value seems to be moved, like the zeros are moved till here, but the values of the rest of the elements are same as the original array. This is typically what happens when we use two pointers and we want to make changes in the same array, keeping the values of later part of the elements untouched, which we saw in some of the last questions. But this is not the expectation this time. What we need is we want to touch these elements as well, and in fact we want our zeros to be here at the last of the array, right? So till here our solution is correct. Whatever the zeros were there from 0 to 4, we have removed all the zeros and we have given 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, like 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, removing all the zeros. But we have 4 zeros and we want that at the end of this array. For that, we need another loop. We will just run this loop, and this time this I is going to be equals to x, because this x is here at this point, right? It is somewhere here at this point. So we want to start this array from x, and then we are going to run it till the length of array. We are going to increment it. So every time, this time we are going to give the value of array of I as 0. Okay. And now if we try to print this array, we get the expected output. So yes, this was the solution of this question. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.